Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Real Situations.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
My name is Jack.
And I'm Amelia. How are you today, Jack?
I'm great, Amelia. I just had my morning coffee, and that's perfect because today we're going to the coffee shop.
Yes, the coffee shop is a great place to practice English. You can order drinks, talk to the barista, and meet friends there.
That's right. A barista is the person who makes your coffee. We'll learn that word and many more today.
Before we start, please hit that like button and subscribe to our podcast. It really helps us.
Yes, please, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode.
Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's go to the coffee shop together. So, Jack, imagine we just walked into a coffee shop. What's the first thing we hear?
Usually the barista says, "Hello, welcome," or "Hi, how can I help you?"
That's right. Let's listen to a short dialogue. Listen carefully.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Did you hear that? Let's break it down. First, the barista said, "Good morning."
Good morning is what we say before 12 noon. After 12 noon, we say good afternoon.
And after 6 p.m., we say good evening. Easy, right?
Then the barista said, "How can I help you?" This is a very polite question.
Yes, it means, "What do you want?" or "What do you need?"
You'll hear this phrase everywhere, in stores, restaurants, hotels. It's very common.
Now, the customer said, "I'd like a coffee, please."
I'd like means I want, but I'd like is more polite.
For example, "I'd like a tea." "I'd like a sandwich." "I'd like water."
And always remember to say please. It makes you sound kind and polite.
Exactly. Please is a magic word in English.
Okay, let's listen to that dialogue one more time. This time, try to repeat after us.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Great job. You're already ordering coffee in English.
Let's keep going. Now we need to tell the barista what size we want. So, Jack, imagine we just walked into a coffee shop. What's the first thing we hear?
Usually the barista says, "Hello, welcome," or "Hi, how can I help you?"
That's right. Let's listen to a short dialogue. Listen carefully.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Did you hear that? Let's break it down. First, the barista said, "Good morning."
Good morning is what we say before 12 noon. After 12 noon, we say good afternoon.
And after 6 p.m., we say good evening. Easy, right?
Then the barista said, "How can I help you?" This is a very polite question.
Yes, it means, "What do you want?" or "What do you need?"
You'll hear this phrase everywhere, in stores, restaurants, hotels. It's very common.
Now, the customer said, "I'd like a coffee, please."
I'd like means I want, but I'd like is more polite.
For example, "I'd like a tea." "I'd like a sandwich." "I'd like water."
And always remember to say please. It makes you sound kind and polite.
Exactly. Please is a magic word in English.
Okay, let's listen to that dialogue one more time. This time, try to repeat after us.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Great job. You're already ordering coffee in English.
Let's keep going. Now we need to tell the barista what size we want. So, Jack, imagine we just walked into a coffee shop. What's the first thing we hear?
Usually the barista says, "Hello, welcome," or "Hi, how can I help you?"
That's right. Let's listen to a short dialogue. Listen carefully.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Did you hear that? Let's break it down. First, the barista said, "Good morning."
Good morning is what we say before 12 noon. After 12 noon, we say good afternoon.
And after 6 p.m., we say good evening. Easy, right?
Then the barista said, "How can I help you?" This is a very polite question.
Yes, it means, what do you want? Or what do you need?
You'll hear this phrase everywhere, in stores, restaurants, hotels. It's very common.
Now, the customer said, "I'd like a coffee, please."
I'd like means I want, but I'd like is more polite.
For example, I'd like a tea. I'd like a sandwich. I'd like water.
And always remember to say please. It makes you sound kind and polite.
Exactly. Please is a magic word in English.
Okay, let's listen to that dialogue one more time. This time, try to repeat after us.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Coffee. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Great job. You're already ordering coffee in English.
Let's keep going. Now we need to tell the barista what size we want.
When you order a drink, you need to say the size. In most coffee shops, there are 3 sizes.
Small, medium, and large. Say it with me. Small,
Small,
medium,
medium,
large.
large.
Some coffee shops use different words, like Starbucks uses tall, grande, and venti.
But don't worry, you can always say small, medium, or large. People will understand you.
Now let's listen to another dialogue. The customer will order a specific drink.
What size would you like?
I'd like a medium coffee, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, milk, please. No sugar.
Okay, let's discuss this. The barista asked, "What size would you like?"
And the customer said, "I'd like a medium coffee, please." Notice how we put the size before the drink name.
Yes, medium coffee, small tea, large juice.
Then the barista asked, "Would you like milk or sugar?"
Would you like is a polite way to offer something. It's a question.
The customer can say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you."
In our dialogue, the customer said, "Yes, milk please, no sugar."
Short and clear. Perfect.
Let's practice some vocabulary. Repeat after me. Milk,
Milk,
sugar,
sugar.
cream.
Cream is similar to milk, but thicker and richer.
Now let's listen again and try to repeat. What size would you like?
I'd like a medium coffee, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, milk, please. No sugar.
Excellent. You're doing amazing.
Now, let's talk about different drinks you can order at a coffee shop.
There are so many options. Let's start with coffee types.
You can order a regular coffee. We also call it black coffee.
Black coffee means coffee with no milk.
Then there's a latte. A latte has espresso and lots of steamed milk.
Espresso is very strong coffee. It's small but powerful.
There's also a cappuccino. A cappuccino has espresso, steamed milk, and foam on top.
Foam is the bubbly white layer on top. It looks beautiful.
And if you don't drink coffee, you can order tea, hot chocolate, or juice.
Let's listen to a customer ordering something different. Let's hear it.
Excuse me, what do you recommend?
Our caramel latte is very popular. It's sweet and delicious.
That sounds good. I'll take a large caramel latte, please.
Great choice. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Did you catch that? The customer said, "What do you recommend?"
Recommend means to suggest something. When you don't know what to order, you can ask, "What do you recommend?"
The barista said, Our caramel latte is very popular.
Popular means many people like it. It's a favorite.
Then the customer said, "That sounds good."
That sounds good means I like your suggestion. It's a positive response.
Next, the customer said, "I'll take a large caramel latte."
I'll take is another way to say I want or I'd like. It's very casual and natural.
Finally, the barista asked, "Hot or iced?"
Hot means warm. Iced means cold with ice. You can have most drinks hot or iced.
For example, iced coffee, hot tea, iced latte.
Let's practice this vocabulary. Repeat after Jack.
Recommend. Popular. That sounds good. I'll take. Hot or iced?
Perfect. Now let's listen to the dialogue again. Try to repeat each line. Excuse me, what do you recommend?
Our caramel latte is very popular. It's sweet and delicious.
That sounds good. I'll take a large caramel latte, please.
Great choice. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Wonderful. You're really getting this.
Okay, you ordered your drink. Now you need to pay.
The barista will tell you the price. Listen to this. That will be $5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready in a few minutes.
The barista said, that will be $5.50.
That will be means the total cost is. It's how we say the price.
The customer said, here you go. This is a friendly phrase when you give something to someone.
You can also say, here you are. Both are polite and common.
Then the barista said, your drink will be ready in a few minutes.
In a few minutes means soon. Maybe 2 or 3 or 5 minutes, not long.
Sometimes the barista will ask for your name. Listen.
Can I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Emma.
Great. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Can I have your name means, what is your name? They write it on your cup.
When your drink is ready, you'll hear, Emma, large caramel latte for Emma. Then you walk up and say, that's me, or thank you.
And don't forget to say thank you and have a nice day. Being polite makes everyone happy. Okay, friends, let's do a quick review. We learned so much today.
First, greetings. Good morning. How can I help you?
Then, ordering. I'd like a medium coffee, please.
Asking about size. What size would you like?
Asking for recommendations. What do you recommend?
Choosing hot or cold. Hot or iced.
And paying. That will be $5.
Here you go. Let's practice one complete conversation. I'll be the barista. Amelia will be the customer. Just listen first. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like a latte, please.
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
That will be $4. Can I have your name?
It's Amelia.
Great. Your drink will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Now, let's do it again. This time, you be the customer. Repeat Amelia's lines.
Ready? Here we go.
Good morning. How can I help you? What size would you like? Hot or iced? That will be $4. Can I have your name? Great. Your drink will be ready in a few minutes.
Excellent work. You just ordered a coffee in English. How does it feel?
I bet you feel proud. You should.
Before we finish, let's learn a few bonus phrases. These will make you sound even more natural.
First phrase, for here or to go.
This means, will you drink it here in the coffee shop, or will you take it with you?
You answer for here if you want to sit and drink it there.
Or you say to go if you want to take it with you. Some people also say takeaway.
Next phrase, can I get a muffin with that?
This means, can I also have a muffin? You're adding food to your order.
With that means with my drink.
You can say, "Can I get a cookie with that?" Or, "Can I get a sandwich with that?"
Another useful phrase, can I have a cup of water, please?
Most coffee shops give free water. Just ask.
Cup of water is the natural way to say it. Not a water, but a cup of water.
And one more. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi is internet. Many people go to coffee shops to work or study.
The barista will say, "Yes, the password is..." Then they tell you the password.
Let's practice these bonus phrases. Repeat after me.
For here or to go?
Can I get a muffin with that?
Can I have a cup of water, please?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Great. These little phrases make a big difference.
Wow, Amelia, we covered a lot today.
We really did. Let's do a final recap of our key phrases.
Number 1, how can I help you? The barista asks this.
Number 2, I'd like a coffee, please. This is how you order.
Number 3, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Number 4, what do you recommend? Ask this when you don't know what to order.
Number 5, hot or iced? Choose the temperature.
Number 6, that'll be... This is the price.
Number 7, here you go. Say this when you give money.
And number 8, thank you. Have a nice day. Always be polite.
Now remember, learning a language takes practice. Don't worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn. Every time you practice, you get better.
Try using these phrases the next time you go to a coffee shop. Even if you're nervous, just try.
The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
And here's our fun community question for today. What's your favorite drink at a coffee shop?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Do you like coffee, tea, hot chocolate?
I want to know. My favorite is a cappuccino with extra foam.
Ooh, fancy. I love an iced latte with caramel.
See? Everyone has different favorites. Tell us yours.
And here's a bonus question. Do you have a favorite coffee shop in your city?
Share the name in the comments. Maybe other listeners can visit it.
Before we go, thank you so much for listening today. You worked really hard.
We're so proud of you. Remember to like this episode and subscribe to our podcast.
Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode.
Next time, we're going to learn English at the supermarket. It's going to be really useful.
We'll learn how to ask for prices, find products, and talk to cashiers.
Until then, keep practicing. Speak English every chance you get.
Even if it's just to yourself, practice in the mirror, talk to your pet. It all helps.
You're doing an amazing job. We believe in you.
From both of us, thank you for being here. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.
Upbeat outro music fades in. Don't forget to comment your favorite coffee shop drink.
And tell us what you want to learn next.